If you're wondering how to use JungleScout's analytics to forecast sales, this video will break it down for you in a quick and straightforward way. Stick with me as we explore how you can easily leverage JungleScout's powerful tools to predict your sales and make better business decisions. First off, JungleScout is known for its robust suite of tools that help e-commerce businesses, particularly Amazon sellers, make data-driven decisions. One of the most valuable features is its sales forecasting capabilities, which allows you to project sales based on real-time market data. When you start with JungleScout's analytics dashboard, the first thing you'll notice is how easy it is to track your product's performance. You can access detailed data on sales trends, revenue, and inventory levels across various product categories. This information is crucial because it gives you insight into potential sales patterns, helping you to forecast demand, optimize inventory, and plan future marketing strategies. To begin forecasting, you'll want to focus on the sales estimator tool within the software. This tool allows you to plug in product details like category, price, and rank to estimate potential monthly sales volume. By analyzing historical sales data and market trends, it provides a reliable forecast that can guide your purchasing and pricing decisions. One feature that really stands out is the ability to filter by seasonality. Products often experience fluctuations in sales based on time of year, holidays, or events. JungleScout's analytics allow you to take these seasonal changes into account, helping you fine-tune your sales projections and prepare for those busy or slow periods. For a deeper dive, JungleScout also offers the Market Insights Report, which helps you understand the competitive landscape. By analyzing competitor data, you can forecast sales more accurately and identify gaps in the market that could lead to higher sales opportunities. This is especially useful if you're entering a crowded space or trying to stand out with a new product. Another way to refine your sales forecast is by using the historical data feature. By reviewing past sales trends, you can spot patterns that are highly predictive of future success. JungleScout compiles this data so that you can analyze performance over time, making it easier to predict future sales based on past behavior. Additionally, with JungleScout's analytics tools, you can continuously monitor your sales forecasts in real time. This means you're not just setting a forecast and forgetting about it. You can adjust it based on new data as you go, keeping your projections as accurate as possible and minimizing any risks associated with market changes. Now, if you want to dive in and start using JungleScout's analytics for your own business, you can actually access the software for free using the first link in the description below. Not only that, but there's an exclusive extended free trial offer, so you can really test out all these tools without committing right away. By the end of this video, you should feel confident about using JungleScout's analytics to forecast your sales with accuracy and ease. Whether you're trying to scale your business or just get a better understanding of your product's potential, JungleScout's powerful tools can help guide you every step of the way. Remember, the free trial is available through the link below, so don't miss out on this opportunity to supercharge your sales forecasting with JungleScout.